Hey guys, thought I would show you the shelter I'm staying at since I'm the only one here right now. It's at mile 223.4 in the Smokies. It's called Tricorner Knob Shelter. The name's just like all mushed together after a while for me because there's so many. Yeah, but look at all of these flowers. And there's a water source really close. Wow. The privy's hidden over there. See it? So there's my backpack. And here's the fireplace. And my clothes, some of my clothes. And my little hammock that I make into a tent area. It actually keeps a little bit of the heat in when I'm sleeping, so it makes it really nice. I don't have to layer up a lot or anything. Yeah, I thought I'd share this with you. Usually the shelters in the Smokies are really jam-packed full because you have to sleep in the shelter areas. You can't just camp wherever you want to like other places, which is really great because that means they're really taking care of this area. Because when you camp, like people camp every day on the trails and it really like makes a mark on the land. I like that they have it so that you can only camp in one area, or in the shelter. And it's really nice to be the first one here because you get to pick your spot and set up and everything. So I just burned some Palo Santos and I'm about to do some yoga. And then I'm going to eat some ramen, and I'm going to mix my ramen with the sour cream and chives mashed potatoes, just to give it some texture and a different flavor. I have yet to try it this way, so I'm pretty excited to experiment today. I have a little stove. Yeah, and it's only like 3 o'clock right now, so I'm pretty early. I planned on hiking 15 miles today, and instead I walked like 5. It was raining earlier, and I was gonna have like I'll just walk 15 tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at 6 and leave at 7, and then I'll be at the next shelter at the 15 miles mark at like 3 o'clock.